Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, basically a very short public service announcement for any of you that actively use the On MouseWheel event. And I know there aren't going to be a huge amount of you out there, but it is still an event that can be useful at times. Note, there is a bug out in the wild. This came out probably about 3 weeks ago that I posted this right around Christmas, a little bit before, I believe. And just note that version 24.12, specifically here, as you can see, the build, so 18.3.24, and builds thereafter, have this bug in it. Now, what is this bug? As I put here, the key details, obviously the build once again, but what it is the count returned by that event will always return a 0. So you're no longer getting the proper -1 or 1 value to indicate if user scrolled up or down. All you get continuously is 0, 0, 0, 0. It never changes. So basically, effectively, it breaks your code, your functionality of your form, whatever you were trying to do. Reports of the issue. Initially, when I created this, there was only one report. Since then, more have come out. So as you can see here, you can click on any of these guys here, and you'll see the initial report. Eventually it will load. Answers is slow. But as you can see here, like he says here, the form MouseWheel event, and it's this guy here. The count that's returned to you is always 0. And you can check the other people now that have confirmed this, as well as behind the scenes, it's been confirmed by other people as well. Surprisingly, or not, 3 weeks into this now, there's no mention of this issue anywhere in the sphere of official web pages. So I've seen nothing on the blog, certainly not on the Fix It and Workaround, where you'd expect to see something like this be posted with a little bit of information. So maybe in the coming days, I don't know. But where does that leave us? Well, there is no actual fix. We're still waiting on the dev team for something on that front. Where we are is your solution is to roll back your Office installation. There is no other solution. So you have to grab the bull by the horns and you've got to roll yourself back. Now, anything before, obviously, 24.12, so the logical step would be just roll back to 24.11, and here's the build number you can try. I provide here my original article on the matter of how to roll back, how to uninstall and update. And I know a lot of people just like the video because I go over its visual. So here's the video for that article itself, and I take you through it step by step. It is very simple to do once you've done it one time. So don't let this scare you. Take a look at the video and you'll be able to easily roll yourself back. Always the same thing, however. Don't forget to disable updates for a period of time, because if you roll it back but you don't disable the update, you're just going to get pushed back on your computer and you're going to have to repeat the same operation again. So disable automatic updates, roll back your Office installation, and wait a couple of weeks, whatever, months, and then you can possibly, hopefully, re-enable it, because hopefully by then the dev team will have addressed this issue. Proper fix, like I say, we're 2-3 weeks into this. You see no signs of this anywhere. Because of that, I created a feedback item on the feedback portal relating to this to give it some visibility. Some things don't get lost in the shuffle. This just puts it officially there for them to see whenever they review the feedback portal. I can't comment on that again, but it is here. Feel free to upvote it just to show those in power, if you are affected by this, that it is impacting you, and they are aware that this does impact people, and it needs to be taken seriously and fixed, because there is no reason for this bug in the first place. And that's where we're going to leave it for this one. Just a very quick service announcement. Like I say, there is a new bug with the, new bug. It's been out for a couple of weeks now with the MouseWheel event specifically. So if you don't use MouseWheel events, don't worry about this. If you are someone that uses MouseWheels, well, this could be a doozy for you, because it can literally break the functionality of your form. Anyway, thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day, everyone.